Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So the important updates coming forward related to TCS NQT 2026. So finally result has been out who have given the exam on 26 March 2026. So if you are the candidates who have given, must check your mail whether you got or not. You can say this is the one of the experience of the candidates. So yeah, I got the mail on my shift was 26 March morning shift. So what are the number of questions he solved? So numerical ability 40% just, reasoning was good 60% around, and verbal ability 50%. You can see that the cutoff is not that much level, and especially numerical ability का भाई cutoff बहुत low जा रहा है. Why? Because the question level is getting hard, okay, compared to the previous NQT getting hard. And related to coding question, you can see here in first coding question I was unable to take input in which they guided, so I wrote the correct function but no test case run. And in second just 4 by test cases run, still he got the interview. Also candidates from the Kolkata region got the mail. So if you are the candidates, must comment here your reason and date of your test if you got. You can say this is the mail students are getting. Congrats, we are pleased to inform that you have successfully cleared the test stage in our NQT hiring process and are shortlisted for the digital category. So they are also mentioning the category 2, and they have clearly mentioned that you have to fill the form by 2nd April and you will get the interview by 2nd week of April. Means इंटरव्यू का भाई आपको बहुत कम टाइम मिलेगा. सो फ्रेंड्स, इफ यू हैव बीन सिलेक्टेड एंड इफ यू वांट टू शेड्यूल योर मॉक इंटरव्यू विद अस, must fill our form, okay, because we will provide you complete guidance and we have already provided lots of selection in NQT, okay, more than 50 plus just in on campus, and off campus result is still waiting. So I will provide the complete guidance if you want, okay. And other thing that I want to tell friends, those who exam further, focus on the numerical aptitude, because this year numerical aptitude will play a critical role, and students are getting the digital just by passing 3 to 4 test cases around in coding. So you can see that अगर आप अच्छे से numerical ability भी करके जाइएगा and reasoning means aptitude करके जाइएगा तो digital आने का चांस है, okay. Coding, just go through the playlist which I already provided you, or the free preparation material which I have provided you. Just follow all those things, that is enough. And must follow the day to day coding shift question जो कि मैं अपने चैनल पे अपलोड करते रह रहा हूँ. That how to means what are the exact question I am uploading. For example, कल का भी जो एग्जाम हुआ था उसका भी मैंने अपलोड किया. So just go through all that. And talking about the other thing, they have clearly mentioned the criteria that you should be from 2024, 2025 or 2026 pass out, and you should have minimum 60% और 6 GP, otherwise you will be not eligible. So अगर आपके 10th या 12th में 60% नहीं है, then I suggest don't go for interview because you will not be considered for their hiring process. So and other thing related to gap, they have clearly mentioned that you should not exceed the education gap more than 24 months. Means 2 साल से ज़्यादा गैप का आपको नहीं रहना चाहिए. Within that tenure it should be there. And work experience that maximum 2 years and is already they have given. So friends, these are all the important updates. So congratulations to all the candidates who have got the interview mail, and best of luck for your इंटरव्यू. एंड इफ़ यू वांट अगेन सेइंग फिल द फॉर्म, अदरवाइज आप मेरे से मॉक इंटरव्यू दे या ना दे, अपने फ्रेंड्स या कोई भी मॉक इंटरव्यू ले रहे, जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट. बिकॉज मॉक इंटरव्यू देने का बेनिफिट ये होता है ना कि यू विल गेट क्लैरिटी दैट व्हाट आर माय वीकनेस, व्हाट आर माय स्ट्रेंथ एंड व्हाट पॉइंट आई शुड वर्क ऑन. सो मस्ट गिव एटलीस्ट 1 मॉक इंटरव्यू अगर आपने पहले मॉक इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया है, because you will feel confident while attending the real interview. That's the reason I am putting pressure here. Okay, so these were the questions which was asked on the previous day, which I have already uploaded related to just simple questions. I think most of the students able to pass both questions test cases, that you have to just take the integer and count the elements greater than equal to 1. Also still students are facing the compiler issue, so that you can't do much more, but some hacks which you can apply, just try to write some exception cases or try to handle the edge cases. Or there might be reason that वो लोग बोल रहे होंगे आप लोग को string में input लेना, but you are taking the input in number format. So make sure to go through the question very well, okay. So that's the key takeaway, you can go through that. So that's all things I want to tell. And just follow our preparation material related to interview if you have been selected, and where I have provided you free preparation material related to DSA, DBMS, SQL and other important questions. Just go through it, it will be really beneficial for you. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. We are here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn, or you can ask your query at Insta, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever platform you are comfortable to you. So all the best who have interview. Thank you.